At the gates of the legendary Rolls-Royce factory, the 15 HP awaits its journey. Henry Royce begins sketching the engine of Rolls-Royce 15 HP, carefully marking cylinders and crankshaft dimensions. Using precise measurements, he ensures every dimension of the engine of Rolls accurate. Annotations are added to the sketches, capturing all essential specifications for the Rolls-Royce 15 HP engine. Henry Royce carefully draws the cylinders and pistons for the engine of Rolls-Royce 15 HP, focusing on precision. Every angle and alignment is verified to ensure the engine of Rolls-Royce Phi meets exact specifications. The detailed diagrams of the engine of Rolls-Royce 15 are reviewed to maintain accuracy before production. Henry Royce finalizes the detailed engine diagrams of Rolls-Royce 15, ready for the next stage of production. Henry Royce begins planning the chassis of Rolls-Royce 15 HP, marking the wheelbase and overall frame layout. Precise measurements are taken to ensure the chassis of Rolls-Royce will fit all components accurately. Annotations indicate the exact axle placement and suspension layout for the chassis of Rolls-Royce 15 HP. Annotations indicate the exact axle placement of Rolls-Royce 15 HP. The chassis layout of Rolls-Royce 15 HP is finalized, ready for design approval and production planning. Henry Royce carefully reviews all sketches of the engine and chassis of Rolls-Royce 15 HP to ensure accuracy. Any minor adjustments are made to the designs of Rolls-Royce 15 HP before final approval. Any minor adjustments are made to the designs of Rolls-Royce 15 HP before final approval. The designs of the engine and chassis of Rolls-Royce 15 HP are officially approved and documented. All approved designs of Rolls-Royce 15 HP are documented and prepared for the next stage of production. Workers carefully select steel and iron blocks for the engine of Rolls-Royce 15 HP, checking for defects and proper dimensions. Each metal block for the engine of Rolls-Royce 15 HP is precisely measured to ensure it meets specifications. Each metal block for the engine of Rolls-Royce 15 HP is precisely measured to ensure it meets specifications. The metal sheets and rods for the Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower engine are organized and labeled for machining. All selected materials are checked and prepared for precise machining of the engine of Rolls-Royce 15 Armchair. Every piece of steel and iron is labeled and organized for the Rolls-Royce 15 Upcomes engine. Before machining begins, iron blocks are carefully filed to prepare them for precise machining of the Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower. The surfaces of the engine components for Rolls-Royce 15 hubs are polished to a smooth finish for accuracy. Each metal block is examined carefully to ensure there are no scratches or imperfections before machining. Each metal block is examined carefully to ensure there are no scratches or imperfections before machining. Polished engine components of Rolls-Royce 15 hex are now ready for precise machining in the factory. The polished metal components of the Rolls-Royce 15 HP engine are transported carefully to the machining hall. The component is placed precisely on the workbench, ready for machining of the Rolls-Royce 15 Hoxplane engine. The Rolls-Royce 15 HP engine components are now fully prepared for precise machining in the factory. Each piece is carefully labeled and positioned to ensure precise machining of the Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower engine. Each cut is carefully controlled to ensure precision for the Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower engine. Each edge of the Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower engine is carefully hand-checked for smoothness. Of the Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower engine are now perfectly shaped, ready for drilling and boring. The cylinder block of the engine of Rolls-Royce 15 crowns is securely positioned for precise drilling. Before drilling begins, alignment and rotation of the drill spindle are carefully checked for the Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower engine. Each Each drilled hole in the Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower engine is measured to ensure exact depth and alignment. Boring machines refine the drilled holes to precise tolerances required for the Rolls-Royce 15 hexpine. The boring process ensures smooth, perfectly aligned openings for engine assembly of Rolls-Royce 15 hop. All drilled and bored holes of the Rolls-Royce 15 hopper's engine are verified against strict measurements. Drilling and boring of the Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower engine block is completed, ready for the next machining stage. Controlled pressure ensures strong and accurate threads for the Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower engine. Each threaded hole of the Rolls-Royce 15 Hutch engine is inspected for clarity and depth. Sample bolts are used to verify the threading accuracy of the Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower engine. All metal debris is removed to keep the Rolls-Royce 15 ranch engine components clean. Drilling and boring of the Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower engine block is completed, ready for the next machining stage. Threading of the Rolls-Royce 15 HP engine block is completed, ready for surface finishing. Machined engine parts of Rolls-Royce 15 HP are moved to the polishing station for surface finishing. Initial polishing removes minor roughness from the engine parts of Rolls-Royce 15 HP. Emery cloth is used to achieve uniform smoothness on the engine of Rolls-Royce 15 HP. Sharp edges on the Rolls-Royce 15 HP engine parts are refined for safety and precision. Polished surfaces of the Rolls-Royce 15 HP engine are cleaned for final inspection. Each engine component of Rolls-Royce 15 HP is inspected under bright light for scratches or burrs. Perfect surface finish ensures reliability and longevity of the Rolls-Royce 15 HP engine. Polishing and smoothing of the Rolls-Royce 15 HP engine parts is complete, ready for measurement and verification. Polished engine components of Rolls-Royce are transferred to the inspection area for precise measurement. Micrometers are used to verify critical dimensions of the Rolls-Royce 15 HP engine components. Each piston of the Rolls-Royce 15 HP engine is checked for exact length and tolerance. Dial gauges confirm perfect alignment and roundness of the Rolls-Royce 15 HP engine cylinders. All measured values of the Rolls-Royce 15 HP engine components are carefully documented. Only components meeting strict standards are approved for the Rolls-Royce 15 HP engine. Approved parts of the Rolls-Royce 15 HP engine are officially marked for assembly. Measurement and verification of the Rolls-Royce 15 HP engine parts is complete, preparing them for pre-assembly organization. Approved engine components of Rolls-Royce transferred for organized pre-assembly preparation. Each engine part of Rolls-Royce 15 HP is placed into designated trays to avoid mixing.
The mustisk brötmiste mayonnaise.
All engine parts of Rolls-Royce 15 Henchbow are arranged in assembly order. Pre-assembly organization of the Rolls-Royce 15 Hot engine is complete, ready for hand assembly. The crankshaft of the Rolls-Royce 15 Hexparder engine is brought to the hand assembly station. Each journal of the Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower crankshaft is visually inspected before installation. The crankshaft is carefully seated into the engine block of Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower. Bearing caps for the Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower engine are arranged in their correct sequence. Each bearing cap is positioned carefully onto the Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower engine in this order. Bearing caps are tightened to precise torque specifications for the Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower engine. Pistons and connecting rods of the Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower engine are prepared for installation.
Reveal design.
Lubrication ensures smooth piston movement inside the Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower engine. Each piston is carefully installed into the Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower engine cylinder, while the connecting rods are aligned with the crankshaft of the Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower engine. Rod caps are secured carefully on the Rolls-Royce 15 HP engine. All bolts are tightened to exact torque values for the Rolls-Royce 15 HP engine. The crankshaft is rotated manually to confirm smooth operation of the Rolls-Royce 15 HP. The camshaft of the Rolls-Royce 15 Hoffman engine is prepared for hand assembly. Each cam lobe of the Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower engine is inspected for smoothness and accuracy. The camshaft is carefully installed into the Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower engine block. Engine valves of the Rolls-Royce 15X are prepared for installation. Valves are carefully inserted into the Rolls-Royce 15 Hobbs engine cylinder head. Valve springs are positioned to control valve movement in the Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower engine. Valve retainers are secured to complete valve installation for the Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower engine.
This differential influence.
Fine timing adjustments ensure accurate valve operation in the Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower engine. Manual rotation confirms correct timing of the Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower engine. Timing alignment of the Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower engine is verified and approved. The fully assembled Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower engine undergoes final inspection. Engine hand assembly of the Rolls-Royce 15 HP is complete, ready for testing. Precise alignment ensures accurate testing of the Rolls-Royce 15 Hobbs engine.
Inside the tube.
The engine of Rolls-Royce 15 Hobbs is now ready for controlled startup.
Select material.
Lubrication systems are connected to protect the Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower engine during operation.
And carried to the steering.
Measurement sensors are connected to monitor performance of the Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower engine.
Loading shaft.
Engine sound and vibration are closely monitored during the first run. Fuel delivery is adjusted to optimize performance of the Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower engine. Engine speed response is carefully calibrated. Ignition timing is fine-tuned for smooth operation of the Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower engine. The Rolls-Royce 15 HF engine reaches stable and efficient operating conditions. Test results. And in sequence system. The Rolls-Royce 15P engine officially passes performance testing.
Let's stop it for baking mark.
Engine testing and calibration of the Rolls-Royce 15 Hochplan is complete.
Use the perfect processes.
Each joint of the roll. Chassis dimensions of the Rolls-Royce 15 Hochplan are verified before component installation. The chassis frame of the Rolls-Royce 15 Hobbs is approved for assembly. Axle components of the Rolls-Royce 15 Hobbs are prepared for installation. Axles are carefully aligned beneath the Rolls-Royce 15 Royce chassis. Suspension springs are installed to support the Rolls-Royce 15 Hobbs chassis. The engine of Rolls-Royce 15 Hobbs is prepared for installation into the chassis. The engine of Rolls-Royce 15 Crafts is carefully lowered into position of the vacuum expansion. The engine of Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower is securely fixed to the drivetrain. Components of the Rolls-Royce 15HO are prepared. The transmission is connected to the Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower engine. Power transfer components are securely installed. Control systems are linked to the Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower engine. The integrated chassis and engine of the Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower are inspected. Clearances and alignment are verified. Smooth mechanical movement is confirmed. Chassis assembly and engine installation of the Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower are complete.
40.
Each wooden element is inspected for strength and grain quality. Accurate measurements ensure perfect body proportions for the Rolls-Royce 15 halves. The wooden body frame of the Rolls-Royce 15 arch takes shape. Metal panels are prepared for shaping the Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower body. Each metal panel is hand-shaped to match the Rolls-Royce 15 HP body contours. The shaped metal panel for the Rolls-Royce 15 shape body is ready for fitting. Body panels are prepared for fitting onto the Rolls-Royce 15 Herbs frame. Panels are aligned by hand to ensure perfect fit. The body structure of the Rolls-Royce 15H becomes clearly defined. Surface preparation begins on the Rolls-Royce 15 increment body. Panel seams are refined for a flawless finish. The Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower body is now ready for paint. Final inspection of body craftsmanship is performed. The body of the Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower passes coach building approval.
The handcrafted body of the Rolls-Royce 15 out is complete.
Coach building for the Rolls-Royce 15 Hammerys is successfully finished. The body of the Rolls-Royce 15 Hand is prepared for painting. All surfaces are cleaned to remove dust and oils before painting. Uniform color application ensures flawless finish. A protective clear coat is added to enhance gloss and durability. The painted body is carefully inspected for any imperfections. Seats are fitted into the Rolls-Royce 15 archgate interior with precision. Dashboard and controls are securely fitted in the Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower.
All interior fittings are completed in the Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower.
Engine connections are finalized for full functionality of the Rolls-Royce 15 horsepower. All linkages are verified for smooth operation. The Rolls-Royce 15 HP is now fully assembled and ready for final inspection. Final inspection confirms the flawless finish of the Rolls-Royce 15 HAPE.
The Rolls-Royce 15 Hutch is now complete, ready for the road.
The Rolls-Royce 15 HP stands ready, gleaming in front of its birthplace. Inside the Rolls-Royce showroom, every 15 HP gleams with perfection. The Rolls-Royce 15 HP is carefully loaded, text ready for delivery worldwide. Packed with care, the Rolls-Royce 15 HP begins its journey across the globe. If you love this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more timeless classics. If you love this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more timeless classics.